Good morning. It's about 7, maybe a quarter after 7 here in beautiful Glacier National Park, Montana. We're doing some waterfalls this morning. We're gonna see 3. This is our first. This is Bering Falls. Really rolling. It has been raining off and on quite a bit all week, so plenty of water up in the mountains. Really cool, really pretty. Not a long hike today. It's probably only going to be about 6-ish miles for us. Not a lot of climbing, but we're going to get to see a lot of waterfalls. We are definitely the first people out on this trail, I think, this morning, which is great. So as long as we keep moving, we should have all of the waterfalls to ourselves. Beautiful view of St. Mary Lake. Sun's only been up not too long. Dad making his way up. Forest fire came through here, obviously, in the last half dozen years or so. Very, very calm and quiet. We're definitely the first ones and only ones on the trail so far. Looking for a moose. And we've made it to St. Mary Falls. This one's really rolling too. The water is all this like beautiful turquoise. It just looks so pure and clean. Really nice waterfall. We have run into a couple people, but it's still very quiet out here this morning. We're gonna hang out here for a few minutes. Dad's gonna get his pictures. And then we're gonna head up to Virginia Falls. All right, we've made it to the Upper Virginia Falls. It is really spectacular. I can't even get it all in frame on the GoPro. There we go. Really beautiful day out here too. Perfect temperature. You will see the wind blowing off the falls. Let's take a look down the valley. Dad's up here. Really, really pretty waterfall. Definitely the best one we've seen so far on this trip. They're really flowing hard today. I'm gonna hang out here for a few minutes. There is a lower falls. It's like not even a quarter mile back down the trail. So we'll check that out too. Taking a look now, we're at the lower Virginia Falls, looking up just where we were. Beautiful falls. Lots of different levels. Water is like flying off the top there. It's really flowing. Really cool. We're here at the lower Bertha Falls, Waterton Lakes Park, Canada. Very cloudy day. It's been misting rain all day. So we decided to take a little bit of a hike up here to the falls. In and out, probably about 4 miles. Not much climbing, pretty easy to get up here. Very quiet, we're the only ones here. There's Dad over there. Beautiful country. Beautiful falls. The snow here is incredible. It just has that evergreen pine smell everywhere. It's really, really beautiful. The mountains are gorgeous. And just enjoying our first day out here, out west. First day in Waterton Lakes. Beautiful country.